We're trading back at 100,000 US dollars. Bitcoin seems to be flirting with the 100k mark, which we all wanted for altcoins, but altcoins don't seem to be moving at the moment, which is hella weird, you know. Very, very weird. If we look at total crypto market cap, total 3 actually, if we look at all of the dirt coins that we all want to invest in, it seems like it's going down. We may actually see further downside to these support regions here. Hopefully not. However, we could see the the my lines are not very straight. Or the which is crazy. I don't think we'll see the 600 billion region because if we do, that is low key messed, and we will legit cry if it reaches that region. Ethereum doesn't seem to be getting too budged by Bitcoin messing around. It is still at 3,900. However, Bitcoin dominance seems like it's trading upwards. Yeah, it might actually go higher before we go lower, which is a pain, and it would cause sadness and fear in the market, which is, I think, what we're going to see, you know. I think we're going to see it grind higher, because on the advanced stochastic RSI, usually it does like to go to a very overbought region or very high dominance before it does want to come down. So currently, things like Casper are dropping. It's in this mini symmetrical triangle that I've got going on at this region here, and I wouldn't mind taking it off at the 15.47 cent region. The 15.44 cent region. I'm actually going to open up a trade there with a tight stop loss just to try and catch some Casper. Although I've got a bag, I do want more. I want a lot more Casper. Omikami is finally pumping. Congratulations to all the guys who bought. Omikami, look at that candle. All the way from 36 million market cap to 52 million market cap. You could have almost doubled your money right there. Not almost double, but you know what I'm saying. It's insane. I don't know how it's not holding that price though. It did get a few exchanges, you know, Omikami. Got a few exchange listings recently, which is probably what's causing that. We're not back in altcoin season just yet. We're still at 67, and we're still in extreme greed, but it's lower than yesterday, which is nice to see. We were in greed last week, but we're in extreme greed. I wonder when that is going to get refreshed. We might have to go down to 60k like that guy was saying. 50k, 60k, just to refresh the whole market. More shorts are building up. More longs on the 7 day, but there's still some shorts building up, and on the 30 day, yeah, a lot more longs as well. But that doesn't really matter in a bull market, especially with Bitcoin hitting 100k levels. Obviously, there's going to be greed. Obviously, people are going to go short. However, there is a few liquidations to the downside here around the 96k region. So we may attend to these before we go higher. And I think we should. It'll give us a clear path after December. But I think we're going to chop around this region for some time till the end of January. Because that pump that we got was a little early, I think. Sort of like March. It's too early. Great potential in KRC20. You go for Caspi or Casper. Curious which one will reach all-time high first. Casper the Ghost explodes once Casper starts moving. But everyone loves Caspi. Casper, bye bye bye. Look at that, that's crazy. I'm thinking Casper, man. But that's biased because I do hold some. 100 million in swap fees. Aerodrome has hit a major milestone with 100 million since launch, seamlessly listing top tokens from every ecosystems. Aerodrome is ultimate trading hub for majors and everything else. What sort of tokens can Aerodrome actually list? Furthermore, the final proposal for upcoming Velodrome Finance Rewards Day is live. People actually get rewarded. That is absolutely mental. Let's have a word with ChatGPT about what their thoughts are on this. And we'll go to this one here. What sort of rewards does Aerodrome give, and what tokens can it list? Let's have a look. Searching the web. Base ecosystem, it knows exactly what he's talking about. Provides rewards to participants in its ecosystems via its native token, which plays a critical role in incentivizing liquidity providers and governance with the base ecosystem. Here's an overview of the rewards and the token listing process. Liquidity earns Aero tokens as incentives for participating in Aerodrome pools. These rewards are distributed based on pool activity and governance decisions. Providers can maximize their rewards by locking their Aero tokens into V-Aero, which grant governance power and additional incentives such as anti-dilution rebases to maintain voting power over time. V-Aero governance incentives. Participants who lock their Aero tokens 100% transaction fees from the pools they support, rewards generated by pools which they direct liquidity through governance voting, NFTs, token listings. So the pros of Aerodrome rewards: incentivize liquidity, lowers barriers for listing new tokens. I don't get this listing tokens garbage. Designed for a robust liquidity hub for the base ecosystem, leveraging innovative mechanisms to attract liquidity reward participants and grow its influence in Ethereum's layer 2 ecosystem. Its ability to list tokens flexibly and reward ecosystem contributors makes it a key play in base's future growth. However, it requires participants to understand the lock-in mechanisms and governance structure to maximize returns effectively. So you need to lock money into place. So we need to lock Aerodrome to get rewarded. Like stake it. Yes, to earn maximum rewards in Aero, you need to lock Aero tokens. Ah, okay. Gives you to counter inflation, receive anti-dilution rebases, meaning they are periodically rewarded with additional Aero based on their locked holdings. Bro, that's crazy, man. That's like a bank. I don't like that. But you can do it if you want. Bitcoin dominance tends to drop right after every rate cut. The upcoming rate cut on December the 18th could be the final trigger for a massive crash. Bullish for altcoins. Yeah, I'm expecting a rate cut too. I'm only 88 million away from a billionaire. Look at him using a demo account. And I know this guy's joking, but a lot of people use demo accounts and just cut the screen and tell you that they've made a lot of money even though they haven't. Don't get scammed. Argentina to fully allow Bitcoin transactions in 2025. First sovereign crypto legal tender. Under this creative approach, people will be able to make daily transactions using several currencies, including Bitcoin. What other currencies? Including Bitcoin. So what, like Ethereum maybe as well? Casper better be with me at Christmas dinner sitting across my uncle who told me crypto was a scam. Look at this guy. No way, man. Some of you seem to have forgotten how insane real crypto bull markets can get. It takes over your life. Coins can do 100x overnight. Millions are made every hour. Don't be on the sidelines watching. Lock in and make sure you are getting what you deserve. Selling right now is literally the stupidest thing you can do. Some people are saying that, but some people are saying take profits, so it's getting to a point where it's getting kind of crazy. That's all I'm going to say. Dominance will start to crash next week. We are in the same position last cycle. We had the top in BTC dominance. Then after that, we had a second rise and forming a lower high, which I believe is happening. We've just seen that on the chart. We're going to form a lower high. And by history, starting from next week, BTC dominance will crash and prepare for altcoins for alt season. But before that, in order for that to happen in every cycle, Bitcoin first drops hard. Around 30%. Alts drop 50, then alt season starts. Wow. If alts drop 50, I am cooked. Consider yourself lucky. You are pre-rich. Why? You are here at the perfect moment in the perfect market. 4 months later, people will wish they were here. The opportunities in front of you are life-changing. At least make the most of it. This cycle isn't just history in the making. It's your chance to rewrite your future. Wow. It is. However, if this happens, I might need to buy more because I've got capital on the side. But a CBA selling and buying back. I'm sick of doing that. I think I'm going to hold through that crash, even though it's stupid. But I don't know if you know the crash, when they crash, and if it crashes, it's going to be such a nasty quick wick that I don't know if I'll be able to make all my orders in time. So it's better that I have less money on the side to make the buys that I want to make than I'm in the market fully. Holy, Japan is considering a strategic Bitcoin reserve. The person who proposed it is named Satoshi. We are going higher. Holy, retail is here, so if a price goes from 1 mil to 3 mil, it's a 2x. No way someone said that, man. How's that 2x? Meme coin winners this cycle. Brett. Punky! Hungry later! Holy, what's Ponky saying? As you may or may not be able to tell, I am a little bit not tired, but I have done a lot of things today. 47 million market cap. It's not 47, it's 47 cents. I think it'll be around the 300 million market cap range, right? I like Ponke. Even Brett right now is a good deal. I just like Ponke more. It's got a lot of room for upside. A lot of room for upside. What market cap are we talking? 261 mil. And it's actually moving. It's not dead like Myro. We may come down a little bit further though. Reminds me of this here. So we could come back down to the lows of 28 cents. That ain't good. All season from now till March, April 2025. Yeah, but we might crash first. Everything's leading me to believe that we are going to see a crazy crash. All points point to boring accumulation for the rest of the year. Use this downtime to go therapy and recover from the brain damage you've inflicted on yourself by being in crypto. Facts, man. You can't be in this game too long. It's actually kind of crazy, man. Always checking the charts. It's not healthy. Realistically, what amount of money would you quit crypto forever for? Because deep it's going to be a certain amount of money that needs to be your target for you to get out of this cycle. Because if not, you're just going to be a gambler and you're going to be buying more coins trying to make more money and you're going to end up with zero. So have a target in mind. Even if it's not like a billion, you might not be able to get a billion. You might only be able to get 10k this cycle. But make sure you leave with that 10k. Many will be salty AF. If Cass gets Coinbase, then I'm dead sure it will be the ADA of this cycle. Yeah, I don't know if I followed the logic benefit of this thought process. Coinbase didn't list ADA until most of the move was already over. 100x pre-Coinbase listing, 3x after. If we're banking on similarities, I'm pretty sure we'd be sure Cass is going to the root well before the Coinbase listing. It's facts though. I think it will. For me, it's more than there's a lot of things coming together in Q1 for a climax rather than a Coinbase listing causing a run like that by itself. Yeah, I think Casper's gonna fly. Casper's actually gonna fly because Casper's just doing good things. The ecosystem, the coin, the transaction speed, the transaction fees, the blockchain, the meme coins, smart contracts are coming. It's been accumulating in this range for a year. How explosive do you think this breakout's going to be? Trader versus holder. Don't be a trader, man. Do not be a trader. Most people say that the COVID-19 style crash isn't happening, but cycle traders knew because the 4-year cycle low was due and late. When cycles are late, the crash is sharp and sudden. Today, 4 years later, we are even later than we were back in 2020. They'll all say there was no way to see this coming too, but once again, 4 years later, it's in the charts. Bitcoin cycle low is 2026, so we don't need to worry about that just yet. But today we're about 9 months late. Do you think it will be similar to 2020? Flash crash and recovery? Think it will start in 2026. Yeah, we're going to see some nasty crash there, you know. I like this little graph. Let me download that. Donald Trump is calling for 150k Bitcoin. BlackRock is advising 2% BTC allocation. Several states are planning to create a Bitcoin reserve. ETFs are slowly buying 500 million worth of Bitcoin daily. Sailor and Bitcoin miners are buying 1 billion worth of BTC every week. We're going so much higher. Facts. The big players of KRC20, Team Nacho, Team Kango, both have huge potential for growth. I'm curious which one will reach 100 million market cap first. I believe Nacho. Who told you to add Caspi to the equation? Everyone's loving Caspi, you know. Everyone's loving Caspi. Let's have a little look at KRC20 tokens. People are loving Caspi, man. I've been hearing that way too much. Nacho, and what else did he say? Kango. Kango looks dog. I'm going to click Casper as well because the only reason I like that is because I've got some myself. Which one's the first one that I clicked? Caspi. So Caspi is looking like it's reaccumulating. That's 17 million market cap. Nacho is looking like it is reaccumulating a 40 million market cap. And Kango is at 31 million market cap. But it's holding up better than Nacho. It hasn't gone down all the way to the lows. Yeah, it looks a lot better, you know. How about Casper? The Ghost. This just should be the #1 meme coin. But it's just not. He forgot to Photoshop out the demo account. Lol. Casper.com domain has been sold for 100k a couple of days ago. Something big is brewing at Casper. Who bought it? If they're investing this amount of money, they must know something. They must expect and have a big idea and philosophy for Casper. Look at Amaterasu Omikami, man, getting an exchange listing. Omikami is now listed on BVOX Kex with no team tokens. Every exchange must buy Omikami to list it, ensuring a fair, decentralized future. This is just the beginning. More listings are on the way. Be part of the revolution now. Omikami's at 43 million market cap. It might not even go lower than this because now it's got exchange listings. I might have to start buying off the exchange because ICBA getting Ethereum to swap it on Uniswap and they take gas fees. My guess is Solana ETF gets initial pullback but then it's granted an ETF late 2025 or 26. Seems undervalued. Solana is garbage. Breaking. A lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum options will expire today. Expect high volatility. F-Kraken stole everything from me. Never use that exchange in your life. Wiped fully. And I've been in crypto since 2017. That is actually mad. There is no way. They're stealing funds. Restrictions on his account. Why are you doing him dirty, man? Get off the exchanges. They're going to rob you. People should not be going into crypto before knowing that first. Casper is going to perform well with the rise of Ethereum this cycle. It's a big beneficiary of a liquidity shift from Ethereum into top layer ones during a euphoric alt season. I could see outpacing Ethereum by a factor of 3 at least. Ethereum 4 to 5x, 12 to 15x Casper, and I think that is a conservative price prediction. Yep. Let's say it's a 10x from here. That would be a $1.60 Casper. Ethereum full send come in, FOMO will get crazy. I don't make the rules. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Yeah, it's gonna do a Bitcoin for sure. Remember when we thought Coinbase was listing ski mask dog, but they dropped their winter merch instead? Frauds. Chainlink. On Clay, on paper, online, on chain. They are revolutionising the game, you know. And it's popping off as well. Chainlink might even break all-time highs soon. It's full moon on Sunday. Is that the bearish or the bullish moon? Sunday, fun day. We'll see what happens. Omikami bull flag. Yeah, look, it's trending inside this range. Yep. Bull flag. Bull flag. We going higher, baby. We going higher, baby. Look at that, man. Flagpole uptrend. Flag channel breakout. 98% are betting on a 25 basis point rate cut in December the 18th FOMC meeting. The better cut rates. Look at this guy. On the liquidation event, he opened that many positions. That's crazy. That's over 100 positions. Bro, stick to a couple of meme coins. Top base meme coins by market cap. Which do you think has the most growth potential? Dog in me. Aerobud. Pepe. On base. Toshi. Keycat. Miggles. Ski Mask Dog. Degen. Degen shouldn't even be in there. Is it even a meme? Brett. Toshi. I think Toshi might be getting hated on too much right now. We might see a revenge rally. Casper, when it starts running, it's going to do a straight 10x. Casper is the one to watch. You are so blind and so influenced by others, you'll never understand this image correctly. Brett, built different. It hasn't even got a Coinbase listing yet. It is crazy to think that. It is pumping without Coinbase. A big pump is coming. Get the bags. Around 28,000 ETH and 2,000 Bitcoin were bought on December the 11th. Ethereum ETF saw 102 million inflows. BTC ETF saw 223 million. Alt season is on fire. The 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level has been breached. Alts are ready to melt faces. Let's see it. I want to see it to believe it. Donald Trump's crypto portfolio is now worth over 15 mil. Up over 6 mil since yesterday. He's got Ethereum, you know. Second largest holding. Perception, reality, facts. Cash is just going down. This guy's loving Brett too. He's saying to send it. Because it happened before, look. BTC accumulation bull. Got a little bit more upside to go. This guy got restricted off Coinbase as well. Yeah, Coinbase are robbing money, man. Brett next price target is 31 cents. Ethereum TVL broke all-time high. Brett is like a leveraged bet on Ethereum. If you think Ethereum's going up and the base ecosystem is going up, Brett is not a bad play. You need to look at these bull market top signals. People you know asking about crypto, people flexing on the timeline, market stop going up with positive news, breaking market structure, crypto apps to top mind share, everybody is bullish, crypto in the news, people quitting the jobs, all projects pumping. All projects pumping is a bad sign. Exaggerated price predictions, Bitcoin to 1 million. Philip and Nick are already getting it. In hindsight, when we look at it in a few months' time, we're going to realise it was so obvious that this was the top. Ethereum's going to 15k. If it goes to 15k, that's crazy. Think seriously about selling your bags when alt season hits this level. Bitcoin dominance near 40%. Alt season approaches 100. More tokens stop pumping and enter the distribution phase. Trading volume drops significantly. Blockchain's metrics show overheating. Big funds and insiders start exiting. Phantom Wallet app enters the top 10 in the App Store. Media pushes overly bullish narratives. Some of them are very good, you know. Banks don't like Bitcoin. Taxis don't like Uber. Hotels don't like Airbnb. Cinemas don't like Netflix. Bookstores don't like Amazon. Innovation isn't always liked. And why do you think BTC Maxis don't like Casper? That's facts. Aerodrome, 1.15 billion in daily volume. People actually staking their aerodrome. It's mad. They're actually giving meme coin rewards. Biggest alt season in history is about to start. BTC dominance is falling. Same pattern in 2021, 2022. The right alts will turn 5k into 250 to 400k. Holy. People think cold showers is locking in. Bro, MFers who lock in don't even shower for days. STFU, LMAO. It's fact, man. Think just because they're going to get a cold shower, they're going to become rich or something? Nah, gee, that's not how it works. You got to do something. Sui saw nice clean break. Sui should outperform for the rest of the bull market. I own both and think both are fantastic in different ways. Sol is lower risk. Global macro investor and RV pro macro subs have more details on my current allocation splits. Bro, you think Sui's high risk? Should see the stuff I'm holding. How can you expect them to make big decisions when they're called Microsoft instead of Micro? Bruh. Donald Trump just purchased 1 million worth of Chainlink. Something big is coming. BlackRock are still buying. I don't want to be rich. I want to be free. Facts. Total 3. This is what Laffy thinks. He thinks we are going to go to 1.5 to 1.4 trillion, meaning an increase of more than 400 billion in market value. All indicators say that the future is better. Just hold on to your currencies. So he thinks we're going to retest this region around about, I think, 800 trillion. What are we at right now for it though? If we look at trading view, how close are we to about 800 trillion? Total crypto market cap. Is he on about total 3? He's on about total 3 in he? Yep. So if he thinks 800 trillion around this region here, yeah, we're going to come down. I think we're going to come down, bro. Can't lie. Tsunami Kami will be valued at 420 million. Do not follow the sellers who lack experience. This is the time to hold. This is the time when it matters the most. Those who fail to heed this warning will lose their valuable position in the market. Let's get this bread, boys. Every day is a day closer to freedom.